Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Market up or down? The market is up. So we'll check the brokerage here for the public account. And nothing sold. Everything's cool. We had some big days here. But we need to make sure we put our seller in here for SLGN. So let's take care of that. Need to get a sell price. SLGN, we got 42.33 times 1.01. Go ahead and do that math. I'm going to do it in my head real quick, and we'll just get this put out. Pause the video if you need to. Limit order, good till cancel extended hours. All right. That is it for the public account. So thanks y'all for watching. If you're new, go ahead and exit. And for those that are into the main account jive, we're going to get right into that. Not much activity today, usual for a holiday week. But we did do some stuff, so we'll go ahead and cover that. First off, we need to get our spreadsheet caught up. AXP looks like that was swing trade. I believe we've got that one in. 7-1 was yesterday, yes. BLY. Swing trade, so we need to put that one in. Wow, we had a bunch. No wonder. No wonder I was starting to see we had a lot of money in play. So on an up day, naturally, we beat the markets. Got a dividend from Nike. Even though they're in the toilet, we got a dividend from Brown-Forman. No war on inflation. Got a dividend from MDU, which is supposed to be a write-off for a spinoff, but we still did. XYLD paid out dividends. That's one of my main monthly payers. WRB paid out a dividend. Wow, it was big last night. I didn't even know. UNM build. On a swing trade. Okay, UNM. Oops. Kraft Heinz. We took a lot yesterday and took another lot again today. We were able to get some flip trades in while the market dipped and did rally back towards the end of the day. And that is one of the advantages. Get my calculator. That is one of the advantages of looking at the market intraday. But overall, strangely enough, I don't think it affects the profits that much, to be honest. In fact, sometimes I think the once a day after the market's closed is actually more profitable. I don't have any data to prove that, but from what I observe, that's kind of my feeling. Less is more sometimes, right? American Eagle provided opportunity again. You can see we've been buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So it's just first bullet again. We've been in profits the whole way. We have a potential to be a holder for the quarterly dividend. How cool would that be? American Eagle. WY, this was a weird one. I decided to take it. If you look at it, FinViz, you'll notice that the PEs are a little whacked out, but this is not a traditional stock. This is a REIT. So for that reason, I went ahead and took it as a flip trade. It's not a huge payer or anything crazy like that, but it more or less fits the system, and I like that it's in a different sector. Also got into, we don't have this one. See, it's a REIT. All right. We also was able to get Wynn Resorts. And we have bought and sold this one as well. This is just first bullet back in. And it's substantially lower than the last time we sold it. So that's just more evidence that the market does not have to go up for you to make money. Now, obviously, if the market crashes to the downside, this will be more about survival than making money, unless you're short, right? We had some day trade stuff, but we did actually do one swing trade sell here on Webster. And you can go ahead and do the chicken call on me. But you can see it's right here on this yellow line, and I don't like that. And you can see just how many positions we have going on right now. It was quick and fast, about as perfect of a move as you can expect, straight up for 2 days. It could potentially go much, much higher. But I just took this one off. It was a small baby position anyways. And I took it off. So there you go. 3.23% return on the position for a 1,180.66% annualized. So I'm okay with it. I mean, probably is chicken, but if I only had a few positions, I may sit on it, right? But we got so much opportunity. I'm going to go ahead and take this. It changed the icon from an X to a trash can. Why do we need to put them in the trash can? But it's not in my universe. We got the flip trades out of it. We got the swing trades out of it. We made a ton of money on WBS, so let it go. Bonds. Looks like we just got to buy in. Nothing crazy. Like we're playing them on the 15. Yep. And you can see it was below, and on the first candle, that triggers above. So my alert went off. Silver was acting a little funky, very funky. We had opportunity, as you can see here in the morning, where it popped, and then look at this. I was able to get back in, so I sold it, and then I'm still holding it just because I don't like to sell it all on the same day twice, because that means want to build a position or let it run. You really got nothing to lose. So we sold this last on 620. So it's been a little while on silver, but we had a massive position. It wasn't a huge gainer. Let's take a look and count them up here. Yeah, big position. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 26 lots. So probably one of the biggest ones we've seen. So that's why I didn't mind cutting it. And we'll lower our risk, take our chips off the table. That was 0.35% returns. So not a whole lot, but we did get another buy-in here and we're in profits again. So now hopefully we get more of in the swing, but the multiple time frames allow you to be safe. And that's what it's about. It's risk management, right? On the SPXL, we did get some steam and was able to get a sell here. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. It doesn't get any cleaner than that. We last sold on 626. I don't think these got very big. I've been distracted doing other stuff. We have 5 lots here. Nothing crazy. But they all surely do add up. .03% gainer, but in about a week. So, that's fine. Same thing here with the TQs. Very similar move, just as you would expect. This was a baby position. This was only 3 lots. We sold it on the 27th, so it's moving right with the S&P 500. I do the levered product, so it doesn't move exactly with the index, but I like that. I think that's an advantage because it keeps me safe. It keeps me ahead of the move. That was a 3.01% gainer on that one, so very nice. Off to a great start versus the market. And as we get a few weeks into the market, we'll start to compare, but it's too early yet. It's 2 days in. We have a huge short position. We're on the daily, I think. Wow. Yikes. But yeah, trigger to buy there, and we'll see what happens. Consider it a dumbass move or a hedge. Either one, I don't really care. All right, all we have left, swing trade entries and or maybe sell targets, which would be nice. We're going to try to cut through this. Nice, easy day in the markets. Okay. We're going to have everything freaking hitting, aren't we? If it does, that is a sign for what's likely to happen in the overall broader markets. It's an entry. So I didn't mind selling the other one. It's fine. LAUR 1452 on the closing print. Order placed. We'll just keep on trucking here. $61. We can definitely wait on that. We got time here too. It's different when it's above that golden line. It just is. This one already crept above it, so might as well hang out. See, Ozark will be one I'll probably be looking to cut too. And I just kind of look whenever I have time. I don't watch it all day, but you know, I'm kind of aware of what's going on. I don't think we have a huge position here. Every time I look at Intel, I got a chuckle. That was one we bag held for a little while. Near and dear to my heart. We're getting a good system here. Our list will get smaller. There's an entry. I believe this is a flip. Went wrong. It is. Now we have a huge position, so we're going to ride it all the way up. 97.09 on the closing print. Try to update. This one did fill. So pretty big position here. And let's see if we can make some money. I have to make sure to move it on my brokerage too, because I will get confused what's going on. Got a certain way that I can organize the position so I know exactly what to do when I see it. And that's important. Because in the heat of the moment, you got to be able to just react. We're a long way from that golden line, so we can make a lot of money here. Oh. All right. That's another entry. Should be bullish signs for the market when you start seeing all these set up at the same time. I mean, there's a reason for it. There is a reason for it. Especially when the laggards start coming. When the first few go, could be anything, right? But when everybody else comes piling in, is this another one? We bought it here. Apparently somewhere else as well. You're getting way too many positions. There it is. Yeah, that's right. I don't know. Having a little fog here. Oh, I just gotta put the order in, man. I'm burned. I've been hard at it today. $41.99 on the closing print. Trying to get these businesses going. It's working pretty good. We got to fill too. Cool. We got our records fully updated, and we're ready to ride it up. That one's got to be close. Very close. They're locking the dividend there for Wabash. Tap is playing hard to get. Dividend locking in here for Universal. And 30. Very close to a 30. Gonna lock in the dividend though. Everything's fine. Just bag holding. We took this thing yesterday, right? Yeah. We're swinging it now. Let's get this thing cranking. Dividend for McCormick. Like I keep saying, I assume I'll hit my limit sometime. I don't know how many of these I get, but until then, better to have it. That way I don't miss a sale. Look at this thing just dump off. Holy cow. I don't know if they just expire. That's probably likely it. And I've probably missed some too, but that's fine. I take a look at least once a day, see what's going on. I do need to go through and figure out my cost basis on Sirius. When it hits the 70, we'll still be buried. It just went down for a long, long time. All right, let's go down to the bottom half and finish strong. FedEx Heldon. Look at all the time I saved. I got most of that money and then got out. It can decide what it wants to do after that. And I have plenty of other opportunities. There's a Home Depot where I chickened out and got out early. Look at all the time it saves. I will never feel bad about it. I understand you can make more money by holding longer. I totally get that. But I want time. Same thing here with Big Blue. They could likely break out and run way higher, but you know, I already took my little piece. I'm okay with that. This is a funny one here. It's very close, but we're getting close to that dividend. Those are almost like a double to me because you get the dividend locked in. You know you can't lose everything on the trade because you're going to get paid out at least once. Just looking for that setup. RSI bang to 30. 5 EMA above the 20 SMA. Very simple. And when it happens, you're still, subject to the moves of the market, but odds are in our favor, I believe. So not everything's going up. Some stuff going straight down. So that's it. Go ahead and save it. We'll keep our circles going. And for a little big picture, you can see these are days. So for several weeks, we haven't done nothing, right? But we continue to pull money out of the market. So hopefully you can see that's where the edge is. If you made it 28 minutes, give me a like. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. I'll be doing this stuff until the thrill is gone, like BB says. And uh, awareness is the main purpose of it. Uh, the average person can beat the market, and they can. So uh, I'm not telling you what to do, but this is how I do it, step by step, and hopefully it helps you come up with your own strategy. But just know that it is possible, and I'm doing it right before your very eyes. So I hope it's helpful to you. Have a great evening, and we'll see you in the next one.